GroundGuard is a linked paving system manufactured from polyethylene. It provides a durable, safe and eco-friendly surface for grass reinforcement, ground stabilisation and gravel retention from pedestrian and vehicle access areas. Whether finishing with soil or gravel, the preparation method is the same. Start by clearing the area of debris and measure the area for the correct number of GroundGuard tiles required. Each pack contains 20 tiles, which equals 3.2 square metres. Once the ground is level, you have the option of laying a weed membrane. If finishing with soil, this step is not recommended, but advised for gravel or shingle. Add a 2 cm deep layer of compacted sand to the area. Then place the tiles, ensuring they are clipped together on all sides. If you need to cut any tiles, this can simply be done with a suitable knife or saw. Cut tiles should be placed furthest away from the most heavily trafficked areas. Ensure the tile spikes are pressed well into the ground and are level. To finish, add your mixture suitable for seeding grass or 8 to 10 mm of gravel or pea shingle. Should you need to remove any tile, firstly expose the locking element and using a flathead screwdriver, lever it away from the adjacent tile. You can then replace as required, ensuring it is clipped back together. For more information on FloPlast's products and technical support, go to floplast.co.uk.